Let's cut through the noise. Supply chain management, or SCM, is how every product gets from raw material to your hands, efficiently and profitably. It's the backbone of every business, whether you're selling coffee or smartphones. At its core, SCM is built on 5 pillars: plan, source, make, deliver, and return. Master these and you're not just moving products, you're building a business that thrives. Stick with me as we break down each pillar and show you how to turn SCM into your secret weapon. First up, plan. If you don't forecast demand and map out your supply chain, you're gambling with your business. Use real data, sales history, market trends, competitor moves, to predict what you'll need and when. Overestimate, and you're stuck with costly, unsold inventory. Underestimate, and you miss sales and lose customers. Your plan is your blueprint. It guides what you buy, how much you make, and where you send it. Invest in good forecasting tools and review your plan often. Nail this and you set the stage for everything else to run smoothly. Next, source. Who supplies your materials matters as much as what you're making. Don't just chase the lowest price. Find reliable partners who deliver quality, on time, every time. Vet suppliers for stability and quality, negotiate smart contracts, and build real relationships. Diversify your sources to protect against disruptions. Great sourcing means fewer headaches and a supply chain that keeps moving. Your suppliers are your lifeline. Choose wisely. Now, make. This is where your product comes alive. Focus on efficiency, cut waste, streamline processes, and automate where you can. But never sacrifice quality. Consistent high standards keep customers coming back. Invest in training, equipment, and a culture of quality. Adapt quickly to changes in demand or design. Smart, flexible production is the heart of a winning supply chain. Deliver is all about logistics. Getting your product to the customer fast and safe. Customers expect speed and reliability, so choose the right shipping methods and partners. Optimize your distribution, regional centers, smart routing, and real-time tracking. A great delivery experience builds loyalty, a bad one loses customers. Keep costs in check but never at the expense of service. Delivery is your brand's final handshake, make it count. Finally, return. Don't fear returns, manage them well, and you turn problems into opportunities. Make returns easy and fair, it builds trust and keeps customers coming back. Efficient reverse logistics lets you recover value, resell, refurbish, or recycle. Analyze returns for insights. Are there quality issues or misleading descriptions? Use this feedback to improve your products and processes. A smart return policy isn't a cost, it's a competitive edge. There you have it. The 5 pillars: plan, source, make, deliver, return. Master them and you build a resilient, cost-effective, customer-focused business. SCM isn't just moving goods, it's your path to a real competitive advantage. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop your SCM questions below. Thanks for watching. Now go build something great.